Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 GT, stock reference number 5303. The shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, LED type. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.